Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to SN Mix channel. Today's topic is best photo editing apps for Android and iPhone, including Snapseed and Lightroom. So today we will discuss on this photo editing apps. But before start, I want to say if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics will be discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. And also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you will not get the full information and miss many useful information on this topic. Okay friends, let's start. Let's go to the first photo editing apps for Android and iPhone. It often happens that while doing photography from mobile, the picture is not clear due to low light or lack of effect. In such a situation, you don't have to worry, because today we have brought some special photo editing apps for you, with the help of which you can be able to make your photos great and attractive. So let's have a look on these photo editing apps. So all these are the photo editors. Today we'll discuss on this best photo editing apps of smartphone. So you can make attractive photos and looks very good photo through this photo editing software. Now first is Snapseed app. If you want to make your photo attractive, then you can use this app from Google, and you will get exposure and color tool support in this app. Also, you can give HDR, vintage and modern look to your photo through this app. At the same time, this app is available on Google Play Store and Apple's Play Store. So in Android, if you are an Android phone user, then you can get it from Google Play Store, and if you are using this iOS or Apple iPhone, then you can get it Apple App Store. And from there, you have seen this is the screenshot of this Snapseed, the images. And from there you have seen there is an install button, and when you just install this app in your smartphone, then you can edit your picture and you can make more attractive pictures through this app. Now Lightroom app. The Lightroom mobile app is one of the great photo editing apps. You will be able to make your click picture quite attractive through this app. At the same time, this app is available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. However, you will have to pay a charge to use the other features of this app. The first is Snapseed and second is Lightroom app. These two mobile app is best photo editing app for this smartphone. Now the third one is Adobe Photoshop Express app. This is also best app for a smartphone, and when you just go to the Google Play Store and you search for this Adobe Photoshop Express photo editor, then you have seen this image in your mobile phone. This is the screenshot of the Adobe Photoshop Express photo image of this Play Store. You have seen in this image, and you will get more features from this Lightroom in Photoshop Express. It includes features such as exposure, contrast and color editing. Apart from all these features, you will get many textures and filters in this mobile app, which will make your picture great. At the same time, this mobile app is available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Now Prisma app. Prisma is also a best mobile photo editing app, but it is a paid mobile app. You have to pay a charge of $7.99 every month for this app. For photo editing, you will get features like filters and effects in this mobile app. Apart from this, the effects of great artists Salvador Dali and Picasso have also been given in this mobile app. At the same time, this app can be downloaded from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Now Photofox app. In the Photofox mobile app, you will find many such tools through which you can easily change the background of your photo. Apart from this, you will get features like glitch effect and double exposure in this app. At the same time, this app is available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Now VSCO app, and this is the photo and video editor, this VSCO app, and you will get support of stickers and animated GIFs in this app, using which you can make your photo looks great. And however, you will get free subscription of this app for 7 days, but to use all these features of this app, you have to pay a charge of $19. At the same time, this app is available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. So this is like other apps, but it is chargeable and not free. but it is photo and video editor. You can do photo and video editing through this app. Now every powerful photo is a great sample API. This is a photo editing app in itself. After using it, you don't even need to extra filter and beautification mode. So this is the photo editor by Every, and this is the image of this Every. You can make this photo editing through this Every app. You can make a collage by mixing many of your photos through this app. Also, you will get support of text and graphics in this app, so that you can make the photo great. At the same time, this app is available on the Apple App Store. So that today we'll discuss on 8 mobile photo editing apps, and for Android and iPhone users, including Snapseed and Lightroom. Now we'll watch the website report about the photo editing apps for Android and iPhone. So go to the website. Okay friends, now we'll watch the website report for the topics, this best photo editing apps for Android and iPhone, including Snapseed and Lightroom. But first I want to know, all of you know, that what is the photo editing apps. A photo editing app is a software application designed to edit pictures on mobile device. For a business, this means you can create a great visual strategy and displaying your products in a professional manner by simply using your mobile phone. This type of app can provide a varied range of features, from cropping, controlling shutter speed, and adding filters. But you can also find photos editing app that can create colleagues or create automatic settings for various scenes. When looking to improve this visual side of your business, you can do so much with just one of the photo editing apps listed below. So these are the free software, the best free video editing apps for iPhones and Android. First is Snapseed, available on iOS and Android. It is free and best for advanced photos editing and mobile device. So Snapseed is the first option for the free photo editing software for mobile or smartphone. Whatever Google Snapseed packs a punch, revealing desktop photo editors with its huge range of features and intuitive interface. Just like you will expect, this free photo editing apps comes with a range of preset filters. However, unlike most apps, you can edit these filters and even create your own photo scratch. It also has all the classic tools such as cropping, straightening frames, text, vintage, and etc. This sharpening features does the job without making the image look grainy. Then the things interesting, Snapseed is the selective adjust tool. This lets you select a specific area of your photo and adjust saturation, contrast, and brightness of the single point. And what is more, this photo editor app saves you edit history, so you can amend your photo previous edits at any point. So today we'll discuss on all of these, but what is the free options? So this is the Snapseed. This is free. You have seen this is the available on iOS, Apple App Store, and Google Play Store. You have find this Snapseed, and it is totally the product by Google, and it is totally free. And I think all of this, the Snapseed is the best because it is the Google product. And the second is VSC Versco, and available on iOS and Android, and it is also free and best for classic look filters. And like Instagram, Versco combines a camera editing tools and online community, but it is all about the filters. This free photo apps provides a set of stunning filters that makes your photo look like they were taken on a analog film camera. These soft and subtle filters add a touch of class to your photos compared to many heavily filtered Instagram presets. The app filters are also adjustable via a simple slider. Of course, the app also has a standard editing tools like adjustment, cropping, borders, and vintage. You can also use VS Versco to adjust exposure, contrast, temperature, or skin tones. Once you are done your photo, you can share your Versco's community or another social network like Instagram. So this is the Versco, and this is also free. And another is Prisma photo editor, available on iOS and Android. Whatever we are showing in before, You know all of these photo editing softwares, photo editing apps, and we discussed about before, but we will know the website report for detail and confirm about these apps. And Prisma photo editor, it is also available on iOS and Android, and also free, turning your photos into artistic paintings and drawings. So this is the Prisma photo app, editing apps, but it is the payable something, somewhat it is payable. Okay, so most filters are starting photos, drawing and paintings are downright awful, and Prisma is exception. There is a very free photo editing app using artificial neural networks, whatever this means, and which enables users to make photos appear like when they printed in by Picasso, Munch and Seven Salvador Dali, and give it a go. You might be surprised by how much you like it. You can pay to access additional filters, but their generous site provides free of charge. Prisma also has own online community similar on Instagram. So once you are done editing, you can share your image to your Prisma feed, save it directly to your device, share it of social media apps, or send it via email or messaging. Fourth one is Adobe Photoshop Express, available on iOS and Android. It is also free. Adobe Photoshop Express takes Photoshop's best photo editing tools and squeezes them into mobile app, and despite providing plenty of advanced features, this free photo editing apps is easily to use. Small touch screen, just upload a photo from your device, take a new one and on another camera, and use this image from this Adobe Creative Cloud account and editing. So all these are the free. It has also tool except and the cropping and red eye correction, brightness, contrast, saturations, filters, borders, etc. However, the best part of is its selection of smart filters. These filters automatically correct common issues such as colors, temperature and exposure problems. Before you can use Adobe Photoshop Express, you will need to sign up for free Adobe ID account. When you have finished editing your photo, save it directly to your device and share it to others, marketing and social media apps. And now this foodie, whatever, best for talking about foods, photo and next level, and it is also free. Everyone has been guilty to taking pictures of their food at some point. Foodie embraces this impulse and helps you to take food photo to an entirely new level. The editor somewhat similar to Instagram, except this is 30 filters and editing features are set up with food in mind. Plus, it helps the line up perfect bird's eye to sort, mix and colors pop. Bottom line, if your pictures are food, you are need to the free photo editing app. Another is Adobe Photoshop Lightroom CC, and this is also the best app. Photoshop Lightroom CC. And another is Photocolic, and this is the Adobe Photo Fix, and this is the Visage. See the difference. This is the photo, this is the another photo, this is the third one photo. So this is you can make it difference through the photo editing software, and it is also free. The PhotoFox, Instagram, and Afterlight 2, and this is the Canva, SKRWT, but it is priceable. See, this is the $0.99. So it is the Facetune. This is you need the picture some price for this. Pixelmator, Mixture, and all these are so here is the gist summary. There are so many amazing photo editing apps, but that at times it can become so overwhelming, and to find best for free photo editing app for you and your brand, you need to first think about what you want to achieve, and then test some photo editing apps to find right one for you. For the best, stick to just one or two. It's better to become highly skilled in one app that to have mediocre skilled or many. So you just use one app. Otherwise, if you use lots of apps, then you cannot master of any apps. You cannot control over this. I think Snapseed is the best for advanced photo editing and mobile device. So if you are using mobile device and you are finding this mobile device best photo editing software, I recommend you this is a Snapseed is the best. Whatever all of the apps are the very good, but Snapseed is the Snapseed and Lightroom is the best professional for the wanting to make quick for pro adjustment. So this is the Lightroom and the Snapseed. These two are the best among all of this. So this is there are 19 apps, but some apps are the paid apps, but Snapseed, VS Code, Bosco, and Adobe Photoshop Express, Adobe Photo, Lightroom CC, Prisma, Foodie, Photocolic, and for Adobe Photoshop Fix, Visage, and Enlight Photo Fox, Instagram, Afterlight, Canva. So this is all these are the free photo editing software. Whatever, if you want to photo editing through your smartphone, I recommend you to download it, to install the Snapseed or Lightroom in your device, and just install, and you can edit your photo. Or whatever, if you want to make thumbnail of YouTube, then you can use this Canva app. This is the best for business related branded photos. So Canva is also free, and it is the best thumbnail maker for YouTube. So that's it about our topic. That's it about our topics about this best photo editing apps for Android and iPhone, including Snapseed and Lightroom. Okay friends, that's it, and after watching this video, now you can know the detail about this best photo editing apps for Android and iPhone, including Snapseed and Lightroom. So today we'll know about the detail about all the best photo editing apps for the smartphone, for Android and iPhone. Whatever, I think you will like this video and enjoy this video very much, and thanks for watching this video. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe our USN Mix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of USN Mix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.